Now it's time to plant my new border. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do, and if you like this video, I'd be grateful if you hit the like button. Here are some of the plants I got from the end of the season sale. Well, I would never usually buy one of these cone boxwoods because they're usually so expensive. But it was 75% off and I just couldn't help myself. I grabbed all they had. It was 7 of them. So I have 7 of these. And this one is nice. I've never seen it before. It's a laurel and it's called Sophia. And I think it's really nice. It's evergreen and it's going to look nice here. And then this smoke bush young lady. It's not going to be much taller than this. So I think it's going to be perfect here. And some hostas and some hydrangeas. Here in the back I have 2 9-barks. This one is Angel Gold and the other one is Amber Jubilee. And they're going to be around 1.5 meters like this. So they're going to shade out some of the back. And I've put a pinky winky hydrangea here and a little lime there. And then it's some hostas here as well. And these emerald gaiety here as well. And then I'm going to fill up with some peonies where it's not too shaded and some flowers. But I'm going to plant down what I got from the end of season sale to start with here. I really love this smoke bush. It's so pretty. And look at those autumn colors. It's not really fast. I think it's used to a different climate, but now it's starting to turn red and it's going to be so pretty, I think, next year. Look at this. And yeah, I love the flowers as well, the smokewood flowers. So we'll see. And the plan is to get my friend with the digger to dig this slope here because it's lots of roots from the blackthorn bushes that were here before, and to plant down some tree peonies and maybe some evergreen. I don't know if it's going to be some junipers or something else, and maybe well, I'm not sure, maybe some hydrangeas as well. We'll see. I haven't really decided. And then there in the corner, just here, he's going to dig as well and continue this border up here. And I think I'm going to plant in the front there a big magnolia tree, or big, it's not big yet, but a magnolia tree and an ornamental cherry that I got as well. So, but things can change. That's the plan for now, at least. So we'll see. It's going to be very exciting next spring to see everything. And I mean, it's going to be slow, but it's a start. The quality of this boxwood plant is questionable. It wasn't rooted at all and didn't have any fine roots. Hopefully it will root out somewhat before the summer. I've mixed this heavy clay soil with fine bark mulch and added some cow manure to it. Next year I'll feed the plants in the spring and then maybe add some compost to it if needed. We actually managed to dig a new border because I realized that I had too many peony roots that needed to be planted in time. So we dug a new border here in the center, and behind that we're going to continue the first one under the apple trees. So it's going to continue towards the field and behind the round border. And yeah, it's starting to get dark now. It's 2 o'clock, and in Sweden it gets dark early, around 3 I think. It's almost dark in the winter, so I have to hurry planting those peonies. So now I've planted some heuchera and some boxwood that I took cuttings from a few years ago, and then some heleniums, quite many peonies. It was 9 peonies I think, and some ornamental grass as well. So just some things that I had, and I didn't have any other space to put them, so I put them here. Maybe I move them next year, but at least they have somewhere for the winter, so that's the most important, so they don't die. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do. And if you like this video and want to see how it turns out next year, please subscribe and hit the like button as well. Bye!